Do you wake up with a dry mouth? Struggle with snoring? Feel exhausted no matter how long you sleep? Mouth breathing could be the reason. It disrupts your sleep, lowers oxygen levels, and affects your energy. Introducing Toolera Mouth Tape, the simple and effective way to train yourself to breathe through your nose for deeper, more restorative sleep. With Toolera Mouth Tape, your body naturally switches to nasal breathing, absorbing oxygen more efficiently and helping you wake up refreshed and energized. Snoring fades, dry mouth disappears, and deep, restorative sleep becomes your new normal. Take control of your sleep. Try Toolera Mouth Tape today, because great days start with great sleep.